Why she's changing? And Annette. And then we go to Walmart to buy that floaty. Target, yeah. Mga lakatibado na? Can she wear her pants? I got sick and I was really sick and it's so hard to get sick like what I did last night. I'm just saying.
No more.
Want to go and get dressed?
There you go.
No more heater?
Nope. Dad, I can put it out.
Okay.
Want to go and get dressed, really?
Gave me like 10
Yeah, just... So Jade did it for... I thought you guys like... She's there. She got cold. And thank you, Sister Re. Musta na? Damit niya? Eh, Han, Chriselle had her clothes. Oh. Monitor? What do you mean monitor? Like...
I splashed Dad earlier because I stepped over.
Busy-busy na. Busy-busy tayo, sis. Busy na sa work. Bihira na makapag-ano nga. Trabaho. Juline, you can get out there now. Why? It's really cold. So you're like cold plunging?
Yeah, it's cold for me.
Okay, you don't listen to me, huh?
That's fine, I'll go.
What is the monitor? Maybe you need a new Juline, you need a new bathing suit, yeah. Yeah. Are you done now? Come on now.
Yeah.
So we can go to
Bye, guys.
yeah. No, but I don't like your thing though. Oh, see. Almost. Baba mo yung damit mo nga. Sa likod. Yeah. Almost. See. What time we're leaving, Han? But Jelana is playing now. What is monitor?
Did you get your towel?
No, it's in the middle. You want to touch mine.
Oh, I grabbed it. That's the one I could reach. Why are they in the middle? I just don't
I
understand.
want to put it there.
Yeah, Jelana get it. See? Jelana get it.
It's sunny. Everything's going to dry out.
And then the water will be warm while we get back.
It will warm up.
We just need to go,
Yeah, you need yung ano, you can use now yung floaty and then nakababad na lang, no? Nakataas. Yeah, I don't like that. Because it go down.
This works. I put this up here and it'll dry off really good.
like a string.
What are the hands?
What's the hands for?
Oh, that's
Trying to hand her plane.
It's cold, the water is cold, so we have to get a heater.
I like fiber though.
I think you have to put that in the small trampoline, otherwise sis.
You run on a small trampoline, Jelana?